welcome back to Doc's Boost. In today's episode, we're going to talk about Dent Wizard and getting 2 more rims repaired. We're going to drop the car off because they're the folks that repaired the 2 front rims from when I was in that automobile accident just about a month ago. They did a great job on putting those wheels back together better than new, and I want to make sure that all the blemishes on the other 2 wheels are gone and look just as great and beautiful as the ones in the front. They said it's going to be a 48-hour turnaround, so I should pick up the car in a couple of days. We're going to follow the process of how wheels are repaired, so you'll get an idea of what it takes to do that job. So it's not just a simple parking lot spray can operation. This is like full-blown repair, powder coating, the whole 9 yards. Once we get down to Dent Wizards, we're going to talk a little bit about the process, and then just turn the car over to Steve and let him do his magic to make them all like brand new again. I'm really excited about that. You're going to be able to get a brand new rim out of this, no matter what the physical appearance may or may not look like. And let's get down to Dent Wizards and drop the car off. Talk to Steve and go from there. Well, I'm pulling into Dent Wizards right now. I'll be talking to Steve in just a few minutes. And we'll turn the car over to him. They're going to keep the car for a couple of days, and I'll pick up the car with pretty much virtually 4 brand new rims on there at a fraction of the cost. Hey Steve, how you doing?
Good, you?
I'm good, bro. GT500's out there ready to get reborn again. So what are we going to do?
We're going to strip down the wheels, check out any damage, repowder coat them. After we powder coat them, we're going to paint them that special effects dark hyper silver. And then we're going to seal it all in with a clear coat powder coat, which seals the paint in, and it's real durable. It's a lot better than like liquid paint. And then they're going to look brand new. We're going to put them back on the car and send you out.
Hey, well, I know the first 2 that you guys did really turned out well. I was really amazed at the process. That's why I'm here again to get the other one. So all 4 of them look brand new again.
All right. So I'm glad you're a repeat customer and you like our work. So.
Hey, I'll be giving you a good shout out. I really appreciate it. So it's going to be possibly tomorrow, but 48-hour turnaround is what
well, typically we're on 24 hours, but with the whole pandemic and all this going on, we're kind of short on people, so we're telling everyone 48 hours just to be safe.
Okay.
But we're still pushing the hardest for 24 hours.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Take it easy, thank you.
It's no surprise removing all 4 wheels and dragging them into the shop to break down the tire and wheel assemblies is where the proprietary process begins. Removing blemishes, repairing damage, and completely removing the original finish is next. Powder coating black brings out any imperfections that will need attention. After final repairs, then we powder coat it black again, followed by color matching powder coat process. Finally, the clear coat powder coat finishes the job. So we got all 4 wheels done, eh, Steve?
Yeah, they're all powder coated. They look fresh and they're a little dusty because they've been sitting right here waiting for you to come look at it.
Oh, now it's my fault, you say.
Right,
okay.
done for a couple hours. Yeah, I think it looks awesome.
Yeah,
I think the color is actually a little bit darker than they were before. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't remember if they're exactly the same color, but...
Well, actually, I was walking around it when I first showed up, to look at the car, and I was thinking that you took it 1 shade up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I really did.
Maybe
I thought you took it 1 shade
I
up.
thought it was 1 shade darker, but I'm on.
Because 1 shade up would have been closer to the OEM color. Actually, but I wouldn't have minded either way because I was just in love with the way they came out that first time, and boy, having them all 4 look pretty much exactly alike is exactly what I was looking for. I couldn't have asked for a better job.
Like I said, that was another reason that we did that 4th wheel, just to make sure that all your wheels are exactly the same.
Cool. I appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. Wow, the wheels look better than new. Better than I expected. Det Wizard and Steve surpassed my expectations. The wheels are perfect. If you need wheel repair done, contact Steve at Det Wizard here in Phoenix. I'll provide the contact information in the comments below. There are Det Wizard locations in 17 states and Canada, so find one near you if you need some wheel repair done. And I mean real wheel repair, not that barnyard parking lot spray can stuff. Tell them you've seen this video on Doc's Boost YouTube channel. Well, that's it for this video, and make sure you subscribe and click the like button because it really does matter. Leave some comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, and peace out.